Today I'm taking you up a mountain for summer solstice sunrise. So let's go. It is just before 4 a.m. on the 21st of June, midsummer night. You can see the lights already coming on the horizon. I am hiking up Hörnle, which is a mountain not too high. It's quite windy, so I've still got a fair amount of climbing to do. I might not quite make it to sunrise. Sunrise is at 5:17 and I might need an hour and a half. Ooh, there's a toad. So I'm gonna keep plowing on and see how quickly I will get up there. It is already 18 degrees at 4 a.m. It's gonna be a hot day. I'm nearly up the top and the cows are all rather sleepy. No need to get up. Sound asleep. So cute. Oh, and of course the view the other direction. Well, I made it to the top. This is the view south west. And the sunrise is still about half an hour away, so I may go to the next peak. There she is, first sun. The sky is amazing. I'm gonna get my good camera out now, take a few photos, get undressed and get changed and take some videos. Happy summer solstice. Isn't this wonderful here? Yay. Good morning. Look where I am. So I've decided to go down a slightly longer way, but look at this amazing view. With this cute little hut. It's more like a barn. Alright, I'm going to go up. You can probably see up the top of this hill there is a stack of wood which will be burned on the 23rd of June. So all the peaks around here will be having little fires on top of them at night. I've just walked on this shortcut and look, the light is just so absolutely stunning here. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? I have to keep going further down this way.